Please note that each MCFRS RIT pack originally supplied may have been altered, which is why the RIT pack should always be inspected daily or at the change of personnel so that you are familiar with your station's RIT pack setup. The Scott RIT pack is an important, necessary tool for providing air to a downed firefighter in an emergency situation. In this video, we will identify the different parts of the Scott RIT PAK III. We will describe the various methods of supplying air to the user or downed firefighter. This video is not intended to dictate tactics or supersede any training that is already in place by the Public Service Training Academy. The Scott RIT PAK III is intended for use by a Rapid Intervention Team, or RIT, as an emergency source of breathable air. The Scott RIT PAK III is used to supply air to a single firefighter while that firefighter is being evacuated from an atmosphere requiring respiratory protection. The Rapid Intervention Team, or crew, must be thoroughly familiar with the operation and application of the Scott RIT PAK III before entering the area requiring respiratory protection. Always verify that the Scott RIT PAK III portable air supply cylinder is fully charged and turned on before entering the hazardous atmosphere. The RIT pack weighs approximately 38 pounds and has reflective stripes for easy visibility. The bottom and sides of the bag are protected by a durable plastic skid plate for easy dragging. 10 attachment rings are provided on the sides and on the ends of the bag to attach a variety of straps and handles to carry or pull the bag as needed. A long shoulder strap is standard on the bag. The Scott RIT PAK III has 3 individual compartments. The compartment with the ball handle identifies the low pressure side of the RIT pack, and the compartment with the T-handle identifies the high pressure side of the RIT pack. The mnemonic low ball, high T can help firefighters remember the sides of the pack. The outside of the Scott RIT PAK III has 2 pockets on the top. The small pocket is for tools, and the side of that pocket is attached by Velcro for easy access. The larger pocket contains the rescue scraps used to move the downed firefighter. The interior of the RIT pack includes high-pressure hose coupling, pressure reducer assembly, cylinder coupling, high-pressure supply hose storage compartment, low-pressure supply hose storage compartment, low-pressure manifold assembly, facepiece and regulator storage compartment. This T-handle compartment identifies the high-pressure side of the RIT pack. Once opened, you will locate the cylinder valve for the cylinder. When the RIT PAK III portable air supply cylinder valve is opened, breathing air is available through both the high and low pressure outlets. The LED display will initialize with all 5 lights on for 20 seconds, followed by a display of cylinder supply level. It is imperative that the RIT pack is not only opened before entry into the IDLH, but that the valve is fully opened as well. In this high T compartment, you will find the high pressure universal air connection, or UAC. This UAC will allow for air pressure to equalize between 2 air cylinders, regardless of cylinder size. This high-pressure air supply hose is equipped with a coupling, which will fit all SCBA in compliance with NFPA 1981-2002 or later edition, that are fitted with a Rapid Intervention Crew Universal Air Connection System, or UAC system. With the dust cover off, it is easy to note the center alignment pin of the UAC. Care must be taken when aligning the UAC in its connection. In this video, we see the rescue firefighter providing air via the UAC connection. Note that if the firefighter's cylinder is damaged or somehow compromised, the UAC connection should not be used, and other methods should be used to deliver air using the Scott RIT PAK III. The connection is made by removing the protective cap located on the UAC connection. With the dust cover off the RIT UAC connection, the pin is inserted straight into the SCBA's UAC connection. Be careful not to damage the pin during insertion. Once the UAC is connected, the SCBAs should equalize within 30 seconds. On the opposite side of the bag is the ball handle compartment, which stores the easy flow regulator, the Shore Seal facepiece, and a 6-foot low-pressure air supply hose with dual manifold couplings. The dual manifold provides for a variety of possible connections to a Scott regulator. The low-pressure air supply source is but one option that can be used to provide air via the downed firefighter's regulator. In this video, we will see the low-pressure manifold in use to supply air to the downed firefighter by connecting the female section of the dual manifold to the downed firefighter's regulator. This manifold can be used to deliver air to the downed firefighter via the firefighter's dual manifold located on all new Scott 5.5 SCBA. In this video, you will see the rescue firefighter providing air to the downed firefighter via their personal dual manifold. The emergency facepiece is a special configuration of a Scott Model AV3000 Shore Seal facepiece. The emergency facepiece is not NIOSH approved for normal wear and is intended only for emergency use as part of the Scott RIT PAK III portable air supply. The emergency facepiece has no nose cup or voice emitters, and it has a special head harness. The size of the facepiece has been chosen to provide a good fit. The Scott RIT PAK III is equipped with a facepiece and a regulator should the downed firefighter need to have theirs replaced. Please note the danger of exposing the downed firefighter to superhot gases with this method, and extreme caution should be used when performing a facepiece changeout or a regulator swap out. To minimize the downed firefighter's exposure time to these elements, all preparatory work should be done prior to removing a regulator and/or facepiece. In this video, the rescue firefighter will demonstrate one method for facepiece switchout. In this video, the rescue firefighter will demonstrate one method for regulator switchout. The Scott RIT PAK III contains a remote gauge console which shows the total available air pressure left in the breathing air cylinder, as well as an LED display with lights indicating the remaining air in the same format as the heads-up display found on our regulators. The remote gauge console is mounted on the outside of the RIT pack, so it is available to view at all times. System full, green light. System 3/4 full, green light. System half full, yellow light, flashing slowly. And when the cylinder is 1/4 full, or near empty, a red light at the far left will be flashing rapidly at about 10 times a second. When this warning light is flashing rapidly, there is less than 1/4 of the total air supply left in the air cylinder, and the pressure reducer will activate a bell to signal when the air pressure in the breathing air cylinder has dropped below 1/4 full. System low battery warning, red light. Gauge illumination, white light. When the cylinder valve is closed, residual air must be vented from the system to allow the electronics to shut down and preserve battery life. Vent and reset the system by opening the purge valve on the breathing regulator. The center compartment of the Scott RIT PAK III will provide easy access to change the 1-hour cylinder that's held with 2 Velcro straps. You should notice the 2 tubes on the opposite side of the cylinder used to guide the UAC and the dual manifold hoses. When changing the 1-hour cylinder on the Scott RIT PAK III, it is important to note the thread direction of the cylinder coupling moves clockwise onto the cylinder valve. This coupling must be hand-tightened to the cylinder valve outlet. Wrenches shall never be used, as damage to the coupling gasket may result. As you can see, the Scott RIT PAK III is a versatile tool in providing an air supply to a downed firefighter. Continuous practical training with the RIT pack is strongly recommended. Remember, the time to become familiar with the RIT pack is not when you may be called to rescue one of our own.